Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are all right. Okay, students, please take and prepare your books and copybooks. Today, we have unusual online lesson. I think the lesson will be very interesting and useful. Are you ready? Okay, let's go to start our distance lesson. Before starting the lesson, I want to introduce you with the objectives of the lesson.
The first, use talk or writing as a means of reflecting on and exploring a range of perspectives on the old. Next, use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a growing range of general topics and some curricular topics.
Okay, now, students, I want to show the video. Please watch it. How do you think? What about this video? Yes, about the global issues. Okay, now students, please open your books at page 5, unit number 1, Our World. The theme of the lesson, global issues. We must talk about the global issues or problems in the world. We have a lot of problems, but today we'll talk about a few. For example, air pollution, excess waste, species extinction, homelessness, and others.
What is a global issues? Global issues are problems that affect the whole world and have a large impact on the global community. 10 major issues have been identified. However, there are many more. There are many global issues that threaten our world today, such as lack of energy, lack of clean fresh water, lack of quality education. We can't solve global issues if we don't know of their existence, which is why it's important to inform today's students about global issues. Teaching children about global issues and encouraging them to see the world through our eyes is of huge importance. The Guardian. Globalization is the spread of an idea, a company, a concept, cultures, and values throughout the international community. It is the interconnectivity of the nations of the world. Globalization is a process of interaction and integration among the people, companies, and governments of different nations, a process driven by international trade and investment and aided by information technology. Globalization is the cause of global issues and is a tool for preventing global issues at the same time. Globalization has also led to an increase in use of scarce resources like oil. For example, this means that the world is currently using a large amount of finite resources. This is a large cause of global issues. Globalization should be considered a dangerous tool that, in the right hands, will save us all. I have got questions for you. Please answer. How do we keep the good parts of globalization and get rid of the bad parts? How do we solve the issues? Does everyone know what global issues are? Besides globalization, what are the other causes of global issues? Students, you have 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you for your answers. You are clever students. Now, I hope you are understand.
Next, I want to introduce you to new words, and you must listen and repeat after me. Species extinction. Species extinction. Species extinction. Түрлердің жойылуы. Homelessness. 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 Баспанасыздық. Air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution. Ауаның ластануы. Excess waste. Excess waste. Excess waste. Артық қалдықтар. Now, students, when you should be write these words on your copybooks. Okay, students, please open your books on page 5, exercise number 2. You have to talk about solutions to global issues. Use the ideas below as well as your own to suggest solutions to some of the problems in the pictures. You should use these words. Adopt an endangered animal. Walk instead of driving. Recycle. Protect wildlife habitats. Open more homeless shelters. For example, adopting an endangered animal helps fight species extinction. Okay, students, you have 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you for your answers, everybody. You are cool. And your answer have to complete all these tasks on the notebook and then send it to my chat or mail. Now, feedback. If you liked the lesson, you can leave your comments. Now, students, your home task will be to write a short essay about global issues. Okay, students, our lesson is over. Thank you for the lesson. You are clever and nice students. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.